What is lethargy? Ever felt so tired that even simple tasks seemed impossible? That's lethargy. It's a state of extreme fatigue, lack of energy, or sluggishness that makes it hard to stay active or focused. Definition of lethargy. Lethargy is a noun that describes a state of exhaustion, drowsiness, or lack of enthusiasm. It can be caused by lack of sleep, stress, poor diet, or even medical conditions. Common causes of lethargy. Sleep deprivation, not getting enough rest leads to constant tiredness. Poor diet, lack of essential nutrients can make you feel weak. Dehydration, your body needs water to function properly. Stress and anxiety, mental exhaustion can drain your energy. Synonyms of lethargy. Fatigue, drowsiness, sluggishness, exhaustion, inactivity, weariness. Examples in sentences. After a long day at work, I was overcome with lethargy. The hot weather made everyone feel lethargic and slow. Want to overcome lethargy? Try getting enough rest, staying hydrated, eating healthy, and exercising regularly.